Good day and welcome here to another video at E-Type Tools. I'm going to explain you the two different screwdrivers for the Jaguar E-Type tool rolls, and you see three of them here and only two of them are originals. But we start with the very first model, which is a straight blade and it's a fixed, not exchangeable blade, and the early ones which were delivered with the very first E-Type up to about July 62, and then they changed also to the combination screwdriver. And what you see here is the Jaguar marking on the outer circumference of the handle. So this is an original one, very early. And as you know, the early E-Types did not have any Phillips screws. So that was the first one. Then it was replaced by this combination screwdriver, which has the writing in the recess. What you also see here is the circle around the marking Jaguar. And that might be to look similar to the earlier type. So this is how they look. These are the only originals. And the combination screwdriver has one blade, exchangeable, is sitting in here, and you remove that, and this is how it looks here, and this is the other side, and you can then use a Phillips head in here, and it's rock solid, nothing moves in here. So 62 July onwards, the combination screwdriver with a Phillips head and straight blade were then supplied to all tool rolls up to I think 69. Then on the market you will find a reproduction which looks similar but has some distinguishable issues on here. So you compare the writing of the Jaguar and you don't find a circle around the Jaguar here. Another thing, these blades, even though this is the Phillips, takes a straight blade again, they appear to be the same, but you cannot exchange these blades to the other. So the original one is thicker and does not fit in here, whereas the other one, the reproduction, fits in here but it is loose. So there's no point of having the reproduction handle. Show you again. This is the original handle with the reproduction blade, just falls off. The original handle, this is the reproduction handle, has no chance to fit the original blade in here because it is obviously it is too tight. So remember, this is a good blade for the good handle. This does not come off. Neither the Phillips nor the straight blade. Nothing comes off here with the original. And the other one, the thinner one, is used for the reproduction. I know some people offer them as original, but that is wrong. And this is what you need to know. Hope this helps. Thank you very much. See you next time.